Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Brave on Linux. So in order to do it you have to open a browser, for example Firefox. It is downloaded by default so we can use that, and we have to type in Brave for Linux basically. And now we have our first site, so we have to click on that. And now we have a command that we need to copy by pressing this button on the right side, and we can go to our terminal and open it, and now we can paste our file. But before we do it, we have to make sure that our URL function is installed, because without it it wouldn't work. So now I will cancel it. We can do it by type URL version. If you don't have that, you have to basically type sudo apt install URL and press enter, and that will work. But we can skip that because I have it installed. And now we can paste our comment that we copied before and press enter. We have to, of course, type in our password. And now we need to wait. As you can see, our Brave browser is installing. Unpacking a Brave browser, setting. And as you can see, installation is completed. And you can start our Brave browser by typing a Brave browser, so you can test that. Press enter, and as you can see, it works fine. And of course you can do it and open it by typing in Brave here and pressing on that. It should also work. As you can see, it works. So if you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.